In this video, I'll show you how to verify your age on Roblox without an ID. I've opened the account info section, and here's how you can get there too. Start by going to the settings option. At the top, you'll see the account info section. Within it, there's a Verify My Age button. When you tap on it, a notification will appear prompting you to verify your age to fully enjoy Roblox's features. Typically, Roblox requires an ID for age verification. While the title may imply there is a workaround, there is, in fact, no direct solution for verifying your age without an ID. If you don't have an ID, one approach you can try is to go to the support section and report your issue. Here, you'll find a help button that allows you to contact customer service. You can reach out to them, explain your situation, and ask if there's any way to verify your age without an ID. However, it's important to emphasize that there is currently no direct way to verify your age on Roblox without an ID. So, to avoid frustration, don't waste time searching for alternative methods that simply don't exist. That's it for this video. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interests. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. And that was it. Subscribe. It's free.